Okurangira Kenya, Uganda hamwe na Tanzania kuteebekanisa Empaka z'ekikopo ky'amahanga ga Afrika z'omwaka 2027 kwabaho bwa nyuma y'urukiko rwa CAF rwashitama kitebe kikuru mu Cairo muri Egypt kutera akaruru nuko kushaba kwabegisira hamwe abo muhuru ya pamoja bid kutunga buceka nkaga riga no kwebembera Senegal naye biresha bire kuzitebekanisa
has voted for to host the AFCON 2027 is
Ehurreje yatandikirwe President wa FUFA Engineer Moses Magogo ekakirwa Kenya hamwe na Tanzania nuko kwenegezebwamo mu FIFA yakire na kujanjara mukuru w'ihanga rya Uganda Yoweri Kaguta Museveni owagitireho mukono abakuru kurwo mu ihanga rya Uganda barimo muhwezo w'umugambirizi w'ishengero rya Uganda Thomas Tayebwa, Minister w'imizano Peter Ogwang, Chairman wa National Council of Sports Ambrose Tashobya, mukuru wa FUFA Moses Magogo n'abandi otireho n'abandi kurwo mu Tanzania hamwe na Kenya nibo barire bakambikiro mu Cairo kwenegezo kushaba kwa hamwoko.
Thank you so much. Thanks, Mr.
So I'm excited. It's time for Ugandans. It is our time now to welcome Africa to East Africa. East Africa pamoja. The difference is that we are going to have 9 home matches as a minimum, because Uganda will host their home matches, 3 of them, Kenya and Tanzania the same, and this is not always the case. So we will have 9 home matches, but we also believe that by nature of our countries, the movement between these countries, which is so free, immigration free, it will be easy by bus, by air, by railway, by water.
Uganda no bwetine bizaniro by'umupira birkurebeka bit FUFA hamwe na government bahereza y'ibizaniro biro munambore akibuwa stadium umurira Denver Godwin yagaruga Kitende na Kivubo hamwe ne cyaho yimebiri byombekwa.
We are so much grateful, and we must say thank you everybody. As the FUFA, as Uganda, we are saying thank you everybody, and we are so grateful. We can't wait as East Africa to receive the whole of Africa here.
Omurukiko nurwo rumwe Morocco yarangirwa kwe kwija kutebekanisa Empaka z'2025 kandi zo mwaka guru kwijanizija kutebekanisa mu ihanga rya Ivory Coast.
Thank you for leaving us. So we go down now.
Aba TV West and Aloysius Byamukama.